Hey guys, welcome back to Dune Sport Custom Toy Haulers. We got two trailers to show you this Easter holiday weekend. Starting with the 16-foot CB model here. We've got magnetic catches on the entry door. This trailer here has our Mocha cabinetry. The kitchen is here across the front. We've got a microwave above, a fantastic fan here above the kitchen area as well. The 2-burner stack style cooktop. Full depth drawers in this base cabinet, plenty of storage, a single basin sink with a nice pull down faucet. For those of you that want to add more counter space, we do have a 3-foot flip up counter here on this passenger side, which can create a coffee bar or a charging station for cell phones. Here in the back, we've got a single queen electric bed above. This is a household size queen, 80 by 60 inches. And down below, we've installed a sofa and a dinette here on the passenger side. So you can push this furniture back towards the rear. You can upgrade a sofa to a dinette if you want. We've got a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge that is nice and spacious. Furnace is down here below and your water heater is next to it. Here in the corner we have your bathroom. So you've got a 3x2 tub, fantastic fan in the ceiling, and your toilet here below, nice porcelain one, and an added outlet there. So with the rear bed up and out of the way, we've got lots of room, lots of headroom anyway. Comfy seating here with the dinette and the sofa, and we've got a TV that flips down from the ceiling here in the center. So this is a 32-inch TV, got an overhead cabinet there, but this TV here swivels left or right. It does fold up against the ceiling when you travel, just like that. The TV just locks into place, and then lastly, you'd strap it. So with this furniture folded up against the sidewalls, you can see the cargo capacity. You've got these plates here in the floor. This trailer here is built to haul 3 street bikes. We have this pit bull trailer restraint system here. You can actually tie down 3 of these bikes without even using the tie downs. It's got 10 feet of cargo to the fridge, 12 to the bathroom wall. And if you didn't already notice, we've got the dark gray smooth fiberglass on this trailer. It's got a 15-foot awning here with a 2700 lumen floodlight under it. On the rear end here, we have an upgraded 8-foot tall ramp door to lessen the incline when pulling the bikes in. He's got ramp door cables as well to suspend this into a patio. On this driver's side here, he's got a ladder that can take you to the roof to handle your maintenance, or can install some solar panels up there if you'd like. It does not have flipped axles, so it does sit lower to the ground. These are 2 3,500-pound axles. You got your water heater there, your furnace exhaust, 50 fresh, 50 gray, 50 black. Pass-through storage through this front nose cap with lights on each end. And then we've got a black tank rinser here and a sewer hose carrier below that. So this trailer came out really nice. Got propane tank cover here for your bottles, 2 6-volt batteries, a battery cutoff switch, and an electric tongue jack here on the front. So second up here, we've got a 12-foot mini toy hauler. This one here is 7-foot wide, 12-foot long. It's our flat roof profile. So it's got an 80-inch sidewall here, 2 6-volt batteries, propane bottles, pass-through storage as well. 50 gallons fresh, gray and black. You got one 5,200-pound axle. This is a flipped axle. So the trailer does sit higher off the ground. You have a 6-foot tall ramp door here, and this may be the first ever short queen bed in a mini toy hauler. So this is a 7-foot narrow body with a short queen, so that means it's 75 inches long instead of 80. Let's take you guys inside and show you the magic. You can see the 2 panels up here on the roof. Those are 400 watts of solar up there. So as we walk into this trailer, you'll notice that the cabinet choice is Ozark Shadows. This is our light gray cabinet interior. You got a 12-volt fridge here with the TV pre-wire here on the side of the fridge. So same fridge as the other one. You got your furnace there and water heater next to it. Big fridge for this size trailer. Pretty awesome actually. AC controls, solar controller, furnace control. It has a flip-up counter here as well. This is a 2-foot flip-up counter, so no leg is necessary. Again, you can use this for a charging station. You got your outlets there and an overhead cabinet above. And we've got our kitchen here in the front. You've got a microwave here above, overhead cabinet, and then your kitchen down below. So this is a narrowed version from the other trailer. This trailer is 1.5 feet narrower, so your kitchen is a little bit narrower. Bathroom, however, is similar in size. Got a fantastic fan up in the ceiling, medicine cabinet, a 3x2 tub, and a toilet. This one here was built to haul a quad. So I'm going to show you the cargo with everything put up. So if you noticed, we don't have any wall furniture. We've deleted that altogether. Flipped axles, there's no wheel well. We do have about 53 inches of width here. And then from this ramp door all the way to that bathroom wall is 8.5 feet. So plenty of storage. 2 different trailers here, 2 different needs. Check us out anytime. Call us with questions. Happy Easter, guys. Thanks for watching.